Hello, I am Sayonika Satya. My topic of poster presentation is a study on the effect of particle creation in the framework of size-baluster theory of gravity. Here we study the role of particle creation and bulk viscosity in the evolution of anisotropic Bianchi 1 model in the scalar tensor theory of gravity proposed by Sage and Baluster. We have taken particle creation phenomena and bulk viscosity, both separated process and irreversible process, and both produces entropy in our universe, and to incorporate this particle creation phenomena and bulk viscosity, we have modified energy momentum tensor. Then we have used a special law of variation of Hubble parameter, which was proposed by Barman, and it gives a constant value of deceleration parameter. Using this constant value of deceleration parameter, we have obtained two solutions. One is suggesting power law form and another one suggesting exponential form. Here we will focus on power law solution, which implies singular model of our universe. To study this case, we have taken a spatially homogeneous and anisotropic Bianchi type 1 matrix given by this equation. Here, the metric function a, b, c are functions of time t alone, and this ensures that the model is spatially homogeneous. Then we have taken a scalar tensor theory defined by Sage and Baluster, with a dimensionless scalar field phi and tensor field Gij. And here the metric is coupled with a dimensionless scalar field. The semi-uni implies the Einstein tensor, omega is the arbitrary dimensionless constant, phi is the scalar field, then T mu nu is the energy momentum tensor. To incorporate the particle creation pressure and viscous pressure, we have modified the energy momentum tensor of the fluid. Here rho is the energy density, P is the equilibrium pressure, and particle creation pressure is denoted by Pc, and the pi is the viscous pressure, and u mu is the for velocity vector, then g mu nu is the metric tensor. We have obtained then the energy conservation equation. Then we have obtained the constant deceleration parameter from the theory proposed by Barman, and using this constant value of deceleration parameter, we have obtained two average scale factor. That is, one is implying the power law solution, and second is implying the exponential solution. Here it is, and basically we are focusing on the power law solution. To study the cosmological model with power law solution, we have obtained this exact value of the metric function. Here it is, A, B, C, and then we have obtained the scalar field from Sage-Baluster theory of gravity, and we have obtained the other geometrical quantities, that is expansion scalar, shear scalar, volume expansion scalar, and anisotropic parameter, and average Hubble parameter. And we have studied the variation of this parameter with time, and they are consistent with the recent observation. Then we have obtained the energy density of fluid. Here it is. Then we have obtained the barotropic pressure. Here it is. Barotropic pressure means which is a function of energy density. Then with this equations, we have studied particle creation and bulk viscous stress in four different physical laws. In the first case, we have the bulk viscosity energy density law. In this case, several researchers have considered a simple power law relation between bulk viscosity coefficient and energy density. And motivated by this equation, we have assumed a relation between viscous pressure and energy density. So we have derived the value of the creation pressure and bulk viscous pressure, and we have plotted the variation of bulk viscous pressure and particle creation pressure with time. We have seen here the particle creation pressure is negative and the bulk viscous pressure is decreasing function of time. Then in the second case, uniform particle number density. Here we have a constant number of particles, that is, there is no rate of change of particle number. Here the particle production source term is determined by the expansion rate, and we have calculated the value of the particle creation pressure, then viscous pressure, and we have plotted the variation of particle creation pressure with time and the variation of viscous pressure with time. Then in the third case, the ideal gas case, the standard model, the conservation of total particle number gives zero rate of particle production, and we have no particle creation pressure. So we are left with only viscous pressure, and we have plotted the variation of viscous pressure with time, and similar to the earlier cases, so we have gained that it is negative, or it is decreasing with time. And in the last case, the correction with the second order correction in the Hubble parameter. Two scientists, Tragener and Pavan, have suggested a generalization of the conservation of total particle number in the standard cosmology, and they considered that a Taylor expansion of the ratio of the rate of change of particle number density to the particle number density, and the ratio as a function of Hubble constant up to second order in Hubble constant. And we have calculated the particle creation pressure and bulk viscous pressure, and we have seen that the variation says the creation pressure is negative, and the particle creation the viscous pressure variation says that it is a decreasing function of time. And in all these four cases, we have seen that the particle creation pressure is negative and the viscous pressure is decreasing with time. So we have found that in all these cases, they are consistent with the recent observation of accelerated expansion of our universe. Basically, we have obtained a spatially homogeneous and an isotropic Bianchi type 1 spacetime. We have used a scalar tensor theory of gravitation proposed by Saiz and Ballester. And this field equation have been solved using a special law of variation of Hubble's parameter that yields a constant value of deceleration parameter. And then we have obtained two models, but we are focused only with power law solution. Then we discussed the particle creation pressure and bulk viscosity pressure in 4 different laws, and all these cases suggesting that our universe is recently in accelerating phase. That's all. Thank you.